Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how I took these nails from glossy to matte in 60 seconds. So let's get into it. Okay, so first off, I ordered these nails from Temu so long ago, and I'm finally deciding to pull them out and put them on. This is another one of those sets that has just been sitting in my nail drawer, just waiting for me to apply them. So that's what we are doing. So I opened the nails and I spread them all out because I want to see how many designs come for each nail size. Some sets don't give you enough designs for each nail size so that you're able to match both of your hands, but this set I was able to put together a cohesive set. So that's one thing that I like about this set. So I'm just sizing my nails to make sure they fit from side wall to side wall, and I have complete coverage of my nail beds. You always want to make sure your press-on nail fits around your cuticle and from side wall to side wall without overlapping onto your skin. If it's overlapping, it's too big. If you have gaps in between, it's too small. You need to go up a size. So just make sure you're sizing your nails correctly so that your set will last long. And this is the set that I put together, and it is so cute. And I'm going to be applying them with my LA Colors drip proof nail glue because this is one of my favorite nail glues to use. But let's get into this set a little bit more. So it has a nice curve to them. They're not too flat. They feel pretty sturdy on the tip, pretty flexible at the cuticle, but they are very thin. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, this set is so thin, oh my goodness. But I'm going to try my best to build this set up a little bit and thicken it up so that they do not bend or break easily. So first thing I'm going to do is apply the nail glue all over my natural nail, making sure I have a nice bubble of glue. And then I'm going to line that press-on nail up with my cuticle area and press down and hold for 30 seconds. You also want to make sure you're pressing against your side walls when you are pressing down so that you have full coverage pressed all over your nail. And these nails are not transparent at all, so normally when I'm applying the glue, I'm able to see it spread underneath the nail as I'm applying the pressure to the nail and pressing it down. But since these are not transparent, you always want to make sure you have a nice bubble of glue that you can see before you press the nail on to make sure you have applied enough glue. On nails that are not transparent, it's better to apply a little more glue than less glue because at least you know that you applied enough. And if you under glue these nails are going to pop right off. So don't be scared to apply your glue. It's okay. You can always clean the nails up if you have a little bit of spillage. So it's better to have a little more glue than less glue, so just keep that in mind. So with nails that are not transparent, it's a little tricky, but just make sure you're applying enough glue. Just go for it. You can always clean the nails up, take a nail file and file that extra glue off. It's not a big deal, sis, okay? That's what I'm here for, boo, to show y'all the ins and outs, the do's and don'ts, the hows and the how nots, and all those things that come with applying the press-on nails. So don't even trip, I got y'all. So I'm just continuing with applying the nails onto my left hand. As you can see, I did my right hand first, which is my dominant hand. I always like to get my right hand out of the way because using my left hand can be hard because that's not my dominant hand. But at least if I don't have no nails on my left hand, it makes it easier to apply on my right hand. So now that I have all the nails on, I am going to go in with my Model 1's base coat. And I'm doing this because we are going to apply a matte top coat because, like I said, we are going from glossy to matte. So you need a foundation to lay your top coat onto. If you don't apply a base coat onto your press-on nails, most likely your top coat is going to peel off depending on how the nail is made. I started doing this and I noticed that my top coat lasted longer when I applied the base coat first. It didn't chip or break easily, so I always apply a base coat to the nails first, and you want to make sure you're applying that base coat all over the nail, even against the side walls and everywhere that you are going to apply your top coat. And after you apply the base coat, you're going to use a full power UV lamp to cure that base coat for 60 seconds. So I cured my right hand first, and now I'm going to cure my left hand, and now we are going to apply our matte top coat. And it is also by Model Ones, and this base coat and the top coat will be linked in the description of this video, along with these nails. These nails were only $1.47. This is not a sponsored video. I bought these nails on my own, and when I saw the colors, I was like, oh, I love this psychedelic kind of 70s look that they have. The nails I applied on my previous video before this one also had that kind of 70s psychedelic look. If you missed that tutorial and that video, make sure you guys go check it out. I really love the lines and the colors and the purple and the pink. Everything just kind of flows so good with these nails. The only thing that I disliked about them was how thin they are. But by applying this base coat and this matte top coat, hopefully the nails will thicken up a little bit. And it's not going to thicken them up a whole lot, but those extra layers will definitely make them more sturdy and less likely to bend or break as easy as they would had I not applied those extra layers of base coat and top coat. And Model Ones is definitely one of my favorite brands of base coats and top coats and gel polishes and nail kits and everything. Model Ones was one of the first products that I used when I first started doing my nails, and I've been sticking beside them ever since. So I set my nail lamp to 60 seconds and boom, just like that, from glossy to matte in 60 seconds. This is how fast you can switch up your nail game. Y'all see how fast one layer of matte top coat can change the game on your nails? Look how bomb these nails look matte. I loved them glossy, but I just feel like this matte on this set is everything. I am loving this set in matte. I mean, I have a debate on my channel all the time about glossy versus matte. I really think it depends on the type of nails and the colors that are in the nails that determines if it should be matte or glossy. Of course, I know a lot of y'all are glossy girls, but I really feel like this set looks a lot better matte. But y'all drop a comment and let me know if you liked it better glossy or if you liked it better matte. And of course, the last thing I'm doing is applying my Blossom cuticle oil that I also got from Temu, which will also be linked in the description of this video. And boom, this is the finished look of the set, and it came out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial as much as I loved doing it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. And if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it. Here, hit that notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.